Welcome back to my channel, MotoSpectrum. Today, we're reviewing a machine that's been reborn to redefine the American highway, the 2025 Kenworth T2000. Kenworth has gone back to the drawing board and come out with a long-haul truck that combines old-school muscle with futuristic tech. Let's dive in. The first impression? It's bold. The 2025 T2000 stands tall with a redesigned front end that's both aggressive and aerodynamic. The new LED headlamp setup looks like it belongs on a fighter jet. The hood has been lowered slightly for better visibility, and the overall design cuts through the air better than ever. Kenworth says it's 10% more aerodynamic than the previous model. That's money saved mile after mile. Chrome accents, deep-cut body lines, and a new dual intake grille give it a powerful road presence. And the yellow paint option? It absolutely pops under sunlight, especially with that full-body polish. You can spot it from half a mile away. Now step inside, and it's a different world. The 2025 Hydrifif T2000's cabin is designed with drivers in mind. Everything is laid out intuitively, from the digital instrument cluster to the 12-inch touchscreen that manages everything from navigation to diagnostics. Ambient lighting gives it a premium vibe, while the quilted leather seats offer comfort. You'd expect in a luxury SUV, the sleeper cab is spacious. An 80-inch studio sleeper with climate control, blackout curtains, and smart storage options. It's practically a studio apartment on wheels. Kenworth even offers an optional workstation and a fold-down 28-inch TV for those overnight stops. Under the hood, you've got options. The standard Packer MX-13 engine delivers 500 horsepower and up to 150 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 12-speed automated transmission. But you can also spec it with the new hybrid assist system that adds a boost during climbs and improves fuel